I think the best thing that I've learned is research analysis within counterintelligence. It's a lot of professional experience and getting to network with different officials within the intelligence community. It's helped a lot with the way I see different global issues. Definitely have a lot of background on that other people don't because it involves a security clearance. So just having this internship has been a great resume booster and a great networking opportunity.
I decided to get an internship with Boeing specifically because I wanted to be able to have some professional experience, and I was really excited by the thought of working with a company that makes airplanes. So even if you think, oh, I'm not a good enough software developer to work for a company like Boeing, they're willing to teach you and to get you up to speed.
In South Africa, we got to get hands-on experience doing geology mapping, and we saw acid mine drainage to actually go out in the field and be like, all right, let's look at this acid mine drainage and see what's actually going on here and see how dangerous it really is. And I got to get that hands-on experience, which was fantastic.
I really do feel like it's a great exercise to be able to go out with new people and bond and work together and really feel like you're doing good in the community. I do like community service, and I love Habitat for Humanity. I love what they do. I do like building stuff, and I think just feeling helpful, I think that is the main goal for me.
An internship or industry experience is vital and important to get before you graduate because it just makes you more competitive to get job offers. You get to network extensively. You get to meet other people from all over the country and world, and it just really opens your mind because there's so many people at Google and there's so many connections there and so much you can learn from them.
I would encourage students to try to get internships. I was able to get 2 internships during my time there, and they definitely can make you more competitive when it comes to applying for jobs in your career field.